Hello Taurus, this is for your quick reading. So if you're new, do subscribe, like, and share. At possible, kaya mo ito nakita, this is for you. So your oracle card, meron tayo dito Stormfields. Yes, sabi nga ng isang song na alam ko, there's always a rainbow after the rain. You might be going through a lot of hardships right now. Andoon na financially or mentally, you're exhausted. But this is all part of the cleansing process sa ginagawa ng universe. Parang sa fasting lang yan eh. You are removing the toxins of your life. And once na-remove na lahat yon, you can start a brand new. So, sabi din naman ng isang movie na napanood ko, ng isang villain doon, the storm provides. What are the things that the storm is providing you? Use that to your advantage. At this point, you are now right now the person who will guide yourself through this storm. So I hope the reading was able to help you. Subscribe for more.